Dear student, in this lecture we see multiple choice questions on parametric test. Choose the correct alternative out of 4 given below for each question. Question 1. A single observation from the population fx theta equal to theta into e raised to power minus theta x. Let x greater than equal to 1 be a critical region for testing h naught theta equal to 2 against h1 theta equal to 1, then the power of the test is option A E, option B E square, option C E cube, option D e raised to power minus 1. The correct option is option D e raised to power minus 1. Question 2. A random variable xi be a random sample from the exponential distribution fx theta equal to theta into e raised to power minus theta x. Consider testing h naught theta equal to theta naught against h1 theta equal to theta 1, where theta 1 is greater than theta naught. A base critical region is of the form. Option A, W equal to x such that summation xi greater than c. Option B, W equal to x such that summation xi less than c. Option C, W equal to x such that summation xi not equal to c. D, W equal to x such that summation xi square less than c. The correct option is option A, W equal to x such that summation xi greater than c. Question number 3. Which of the following is correct for taking a decision of rejecting or accepting a null hypothesis H naught using p-value? Option A, smaller the p-value, weaker evidence against H naught. Option B, smaller the p-value, stronger evidence against H naught. Option C, smaller p-value, weaker evidence in the favor of H naught. D, smaller the p-value, stronger evidence in favor of H naught. The correct option is option B, smaller the p-value, stronger evidence against H naught. Question number 4. To test H naught lambda equal to 1 versus H1 lambda equal to 2 based on single observation from P lambda, then H naught is rejected. If x greater than 2, then the power of the test is option A 1 minus 5 by e square, option B 5 divided by e square, option C 1 minus 5 by e, D 5 divided by 2e. The correct option is A 1 minus 5 by e square. Question number 5. Which of the following about power of the test of H0 versus H1 is true? Option A, power equal to probability of rejecting H0 when H0 is false. Option B, power equal to 1 minus probability of type 2 error. Option C, power equal to value of the power function at which H1 is true. And D, all of these. The correct option is all of these. Question 6. If P denote the p-value of the test and alpha is the chosen level of significance, then reject H0 if option A, P less than equal to alpha, option B, P greater than equal to alpha, option C, P less than equal to alpha by 2, D, P greater than equal to alpha by 2. The correct option of this question is option A, P less than equal to alpha. Question number 7. Let x1, x2 independent observation drawn from uniform 0 theta. Based on this observation, one has carried out a test of h0 theta equal to 1 against h1 theta equal to 2. If h0 is rejected, if x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 0.75. Consider the statement. Statement A, size of the test 23 divided by 32. Statement B, power of the test 107 divided by 128. Options. Option A, only A is true. Option B, only B is true. Option C, both A and B true. And D, none of these. The correct option, only A is true. Question number 8. Let x follows normal theta sigma square. Which of the is sample hypothesis? A, h theta equal to theta naught. B, sigma equal to sigma naught. C, h theta equal to theta naught, sigma equal to sigma naught, and D, h theta is not equal to sigma naught. The correct option is option C. Question number 9. Consider the single observation from the population. Fx lambda equal to theta into e raised to the power minus theta x, x greater than 0, theta positive. Let x greater than 1 be a critical region. For testing h naught theta equal to 2 against theta equal to 1, what are the values of type 1 error and type 2 error respectively? Option A, e minus 1 divided by e square and 1 upon e. Option B, e minus 1 upon e, 1 divided by e square. Option C, 1 by e square, e minus 1 divided by e, and option D, 1 by e and e minus 1 divided by e square. The correct option is option C, 1 divided by e square and e minus 1 divided by e. Question number 10. Let x1, xn be random sample of size n from normal mu sigma square where both mu and sigma are unknown. Then which of the following is not composite hypothesis? Option A, mu equal to mu naught. Option B, sigma square equal to 4. Option C, mu equal to 0 and sigma square equal to 4. And mu greater than equal to 0 and sigma square equal to 4. Then the correct option is option C. Consider testing of h naught theta equal to 2 against h1 theta equal to 1 based on single observation x1 from the population fx theta, theta into e raised to the power minus theta x. Let x1 greater than 1, then the critical region be the critical region. The power of the test is option A, 1 by e, option B, 1 by e square, option C, e minus 1 divided by e, D, 1 minus 1 by e square. The correct option is option A, 1 divided by e. Question number 12. A sample of size 1 taken from an exponential distribution in mean theta for testing h naught theta equal to 1 against h1 theta equal to 2. The test is reject h naught if x greater than 2. The power of the test is option A, e raised to the power minus 2, option B, e raised to the power minus 1, option C, e raised to the power minus 4 divided by 2, D, 1 minus e raised to the power minus 2 divided by 4. The correct option is option B, e raised to the power minus 1. Question number 13. Neyman-Pearson lemma help to obtain most powerful test for testing. Option A, simple hypothesis against a composite alternative. Option B, composite hypothesis against a composite alternative. Option B, option C, a composite hypothesis against simple alternative. And option D, a simple hypothesis against a simple alternative. The correct option is option D, simple hypothesis against simple alternative. Question number 14. Let h naught theta equal to theta naught against h1 theta equal to theta 1 where x follows a probability distribution fx theta, then using Neyman-Pearson lemma we get most powerful consistent test, most powerful test, most powerful unbiased test, most powerful invariant test. The correct option is B, most powerful test. Question number 15. For testing sigma equal to sigma naught in normal population, with mean 0 and variance sigma square, then the critical region is obtained summation xi square less than k. For which alternative hypothesis does this provide a UMP test? A. Sigma greater than sigma 1, B. Sigma less than sigma 1, C. Sigma not equal to sigma 1, D. Sigma equal to sigma 1. The correct option is option B. Sigma less than sigma 1. Yeah. Question number 16. Area of critical region is depends upon size of type 1 error, size of type 2 error, value of the statistics, and number of observation. The correct option is option A, size of type 1 error. Question number 17. Whether a test is one-sided or two-sided is depends upon option A, alternative hypothesis, option B, composite hypothesis, option C, null hypothesis, option D, simple hypothesis. The correct option is A, alternative hypothesis. Question number 18. Power of test is related to question A, type 1 error, option B, type 2 error, option C, both type 1 and type 2 error, and D, none of these. The correct option is type 2 error. And question number 19. Level of significance is the probability of option A, type 1 error, option B, type 2 error, option C, not committing error, and D, standard error. The correct option is option A, type 1 error. Question number 20. Let x1, x2, xn be random sample from normal population with parameter mu and sigma square, where mu and sigma square are unknown. Then the simple hypothesis S0 is stated as option A, mu equal to 3, sigma square equal to 1, B, mu greater than equal to 5, sigma square greater than 1, option C, mu equal to 4, sigma square greater than 1, D, mu greater than 5, sigma square equal to 2. The correct option is option A, mu equal to 3 and sigma square equal to 1.